Hello viewers, today we are going to find how to simplify quadratic equations from given roots. When two roots are given, usually it's given as alpha and beta. The question says if 2x squared plus 3x minus 6 is equal to 0 and alpha and beta are roots of this equation, find alpha squared plus beta squared, and then secondly find alpha cube plus beta cube. It's a simple work. The first thing is to write out our given equation. Write out this equation. Write out the equation. So given is equation 2x squared plus 3x minus 6 equal to 0. We are going to find or to locate out our first term, second term, and third term. So from this equation, our first term, the symbol for first term is A. Our first term A is 2. Our second term B is 3, while our third term or the constant term is minus 6. We need these three variables, these three things A, B, C, in order for us to find what we mean by the sum of roots, the product of roots, and the difference between these two roots A and B, or alpha and beta. Why do we need to find the sum of roots and the product of roots? Because if you are factorizing this square, the square of the sum, and the cube, if you are factorizing them, you have in between them what we call the sum of the roots, the product of the root, and the difference of the roots. So let's start from sum of roots. The formula for sum of roots, that is, the roots are alpha and beta. If we add them, alpha plus beta, the formula for sum of root is minus b all over a, which will be equal to, our b is 3. So it will be minus 3 all over 2, because our a is equal to 2. We are now going to find the product of roots. Product means multiplication. For product of roots, alpha beta will be equal to c, formula is c over a. And from these parameters here, from here, our c is minus 6, our a is 2 divided by 2. Minus 6 divided by 2 is minus 3. Please hold these patterns very well, these values here. They are very important to what we are going to do later. Now we are going to find also the difference of roots. Difference means minus. For difference of roots, alpha minus beta will be equal to plus or minus, the formula is plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over a, not 2a, just a. Let's substitute. Our b is 3, a is 2, c is minus 6. So if we apply that, that means our alpha minus beta will be equal to plus or minus the square root of b square will become 3 square minus 4 times our a is 2. 4 times 2, our c is minus 6. Divided by our a is 2. So we simplify further. This implies that our alpha minus beta will be equal to plus or minus square root of, or let's continue in front. Let's continue up here. That means our alpha minus beta will be equal to plus or minus The root of 3 square is 9. That is 3 times 3. Right, of 9. Minus 4 times 2 is minus 8. Minus 8 times minus 6 is plus 48. Divided by A. Your A is 2. Our alpha minus beta will be equal to plus or minus the square root of, if you add 9 and 48, you have 57 divided by 2. 57 is not a perfect square and you cannot rationalize it, so you leave it this way. Now, 3 things are important. Take note of sum of roots, product of roots, difference of roots. These are the 3 things that are important. So sum of root is this, product of root is minus 3, difference of roots is what we have here. Now let's go to solving the first one. We are asked to find alpha square plus beta square. For this factorization is simple. Alpha square plus beta square is equal to alpha minus beta. That's the first thing. A minus, just spell it A minus B, but it's alpha minus beta square plus 2 alpha beta. This is the factorization for so now you can see that from this factorization, for us to get a value for this, we need alpha minus beta. For us to get an answer here, a numerical value here, we need alpha minus beta. For us to replace AB here, we need alpha beta. So if we replace it, this will be equal to alpha minus beta is what we have solved here. Look at it. It is plus or minus the square root of 57 divided by 2 raised to the power of 2 plus 2, this 2, times our alpha beta is minus 3. Simplifying further, plus or minus root 57 squared will give us 57. 2 squared is 4, and I hope you understand that this square is for both root 57 and 4 and 2 itself. So root 57 square is 57, 2 square is 4. Plus and minus square is still positive. Plus 2 times minus 2 is minus 6. So simplifying further, it will be equal to 4 is the LCM. So 4 times 6 is 24. So I have 57 minus 24 divided by 4. I hope I don't have a problem here. So if you subtract 24 from 57, you have 33. So our answer is equal to 33 divided by 4. This is the value for alpha square plus beta square. Let's proceed to alpha cube plus beta cube. Look at it well. For alpha cube plus beta cube, the whole burden of the work lies in knowing your factorization. It will be equal to alpha plus beta into alpha square plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta. This is the factorization formula for alpha cube plus beta cube. You can see that from here we have sum of roots here, a square, alpha square plus beta square here, and then product of roots here. So this will be equal to alpha plus beta is minus 3 divided by 2. Alpha square plus beta square is what we have solved here as 33 divided by 4, then minus 2 times our alpha beta is minus 3. So look at it well. From here, let's proceed to the last stage here. We have minus 3 divided by 2 times, let's simplify the inside bracket. Minus 2 times minus 3 is plus 6. That means we have 33 divided by 4 plus 6. Then simplifying further what is inside the bracket, I'm going to have minus 3 divided by 2 times 33. 4 is the LCM. 4 times 6 is 24. Plus 24 divided by 4. So I'm going to add the numerator inside the bracket. It's going to be minus 3. We are going to add this over 2. 33 and 24 is 57. All over 4. So if we multiply out what is there, since there's nothing I can cancel, 3 cannot divide 2, 57 cannot divide 2. So minus 3 multiplied by this minus 3 by this 57 is minus 171. 2 times 4 is 8. So you have been able to simplify this. So the major work there is for you to remember or know by heart how to factorize expressions with squares with sum, and how to factorize expression with cubes with sum, and also differences. This is the solution. If you have any question, you can inbox me. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.